Let's follow my guide Gina through Tangkoko Nature Reserve in Sulawesi. From volcanic black sand beaches and a palm wine distillery to dense jungle, we'll encounter monkeys, elusive tarsiers, and the creatures that come alive after dark.
Selamat pagi.
Hi.
I'm here with my guide Gina, and we're going into the Tangkoko National Park.
Right?
Yeah. We're gonna look for, I can't say that right, Tarsiers?
Tarsiers is in the afternoon, but today we're going to see a monkey.
Monkeys. Okay,
Monkeys
we're gonna
and
go
some
look for
bird.
monkeys. So this is part one of the morning rain tour. And if you like this, you can join us in the afternoon for probably the afternoon rain tour.
Yeah.
All right. So this is the entrance.
Yeah.
Cool.
So yesterday you was there?
Yeah, I was down this way here. Yeah. I just walk that way and I see the restaurant.
Yeah.
I think it's German. Some
Yeah.
some Germans might own the restaurant, but I found gado gado.
Oh yeah, right.
Yeah, with the
That's
peanut sauce.
vegetarian,
Yeah. Oh, look, it comes right up. So this is volcanic sand from the volcano.
Oh,
That's why it's black.
black sand.
Yeah, yeah. And this is all part of the park as well. Very nice. So this is where they make the traditional alcohol out of the palm trees. They distill it in here and separate it for oil as well. So this is all the drink?
This is for collect the.
To collect the oil?
Yeah, collect it from.
Ah, yeah, I see.
They do it.
Right. So there's no production going on, but
Yeah.
this is where they boil it.
Yeah.
Cool.
And then here.
Then they bottle it down here. Right. Yeah, I see. And then they store over there.
Yeah.
Cool. And this is a palm tree. This is the palm tree. Right. This big one here. Not the kind you have coconuts on. It's a thicker species. These are all palm trees. Yeah, all around. Right. So the palm tree distillery. That's what we'll call it. You can get drunk off of this drink. It's natural and traditional. You've seen it in Sumatra as well.
Oh, hi. Hello. 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 Say hi, Charisse. Say hi, Charisse. I'm an Indonesian husky. Say hello. Hello. Yes, a good girl. Yes.
So welcome back, everybody. The morning rain tour was not very successful because it rained pretty hard. So we are going to try a night tour and see the Tarsiers. I probably said that wrong, but we'll see them. They're nocturnal. Here, my guide Gina has taken us to look at a massive teakwood tree. Look at the roots of this. This is so cool. It looks like a bunch of snakes. That's a really neat looking tree. Weather is so much better now. It's not too hot. It is 4 in the afternoon, so we'll be doing some of this in the dark because Tarsiers are nocturnal. How do you say it? Am I saying it right? Tarsiers?
Yeah, Tarsiers.
Okay, Tarsiers. Right. Perfect.
You got it?
Yeah, got it.
Baru mau keluar-keluar ini baru habis hujan.
So right away, the entrance of the park, we have a monkey to welcome us. Maybe, or scare us away. We'll see how he's... He's itchy.
Itu semut yang naik atas kan? Ants.
Oh, ants.
They bite.
Yeah.
Just because of the rain, they
Yeah, come up.
come out.
Yeah. That's why he's like,
Yeah.
yeah. He's scratching
Like
because of the
monkey.
ants. Yeah. We're like the monkeys. Hey, he's just chilling.
Oh, yang nakal nih ya, yang buta dang. Lonely.
He tries to go away from the rest.
Kecil-kecil kok tetap suka melihat.
Wow, look at that guy.
Wow.
He can jump.
Wow. Ini ada. Wow. Ini ada. Wow. Ini ada. Wow. Ini ada.
Oh, look at him. I got that on film. Where he slid like firemen
Yeah.
down the pole.
Oh yeah, right. hurry up.
Yeah.
There's burning.
Yeah, going to get the fire. These little ones here. Ah, here they go. So right now it's around 5 p.m. It's just starting to get dark, and this tree has the tarsiers sleeping right now. So they'll be coming out shortly. I'm just going to kind of stick around here for another 20 minutes and fight off the ants that are crawling all over me and wait for them. Do they ever come out or they hide?
Yeah.
They come out or they hide? They do come out?
Yeah.
Okay. Here we go. Good morning. Selamat pagi. He's looking up. see them up the top. Right. So now they're chirping. They sound like birds. There must be food they're looking at. He's jumping around down here.
Yeah, I don't see it.
Yeah, I saw he went in there. I'm gonna look on this side. I see him there.
Yeah,
You do?
they're really close.
Oh, that's a good one. He's gone up. So the tarantulas come out at night?
Yeah.
It's like a blue color.
Yep.
That's way bigger than the ones I see. They usually have like a yellow, but that one's bigger.